You've been lied to. No, you don't need a 3-hour morning routine, 17 productivity apps, and a monk's attention span to improve your life. What you actually need is 5 minutes. Yeah, 5. Welcome to the world of microlearning, the bite-sized, brain-boosting buffet for people with attention spans shorter than a TikTok dance trend. If you're tired of drowning in information but starving for transformation, stick around, because I'm about to break down how tiny learning bursts can turn you into a walking, talking, unstoppable genius. And my little secret will definitely help you with your journey. Ready? Let's go. 1. Microlearning makes your brain say, yes, finally. Microlearning feeds your brain like tapas. Small, delicious, and way more satisfying than one giant bloated info meal. Science backs it up. Studies show our brains retain more information when it's served in snack-sized chunks. It's like fast food, but healthy, and for your neurons. Plus, no more falling asleep during hour-long YouTube lectures narrated by a guy who sounds like he's reading a eulogy. Your brain likes short. It craves focused. Microlearning gives it both. Still think cramming is king? Wait till you see how microlearning hijacks your memory like a genius ninja. 2. You remember more with less effort. Here's the trick. Spaced repetition. It's like hitting save on your brain without the blue screen of death. Microlearning uses this by repeating key info in short bursts over time. That's how you go from, I kinda get it, to, I could teach this in my sleep. It's like going to the gym, but instead of one painful 3-hour session once a week, you do 5-minute flexes daily. And suddenly, you've got a memory with abscess. Now, let's talk about how to inject microlearning into your daily routine without adding anything new. 3. It fits into your life. Even if your life is a mess, microlearning thrives in life's in-between moments. Waiting for your coffee? Learn a new word. Stuck in traffic? Audio lesson. Hiding in the bathroom at work to avoid Chad from HR? Quiz time. This isn't carve out 2 hours for personal growth. This is slide it between scrolling and snacking. Microlearning turns your day into a stealth upgrade system. But wait, there's more. Cue dramatic infomercial voice. Let's talk about how this method can actually keep you addicted to learning. 4. Microlearning is the Netflix of education. Ever said, just one more episode? Now imagine saying, just one more 3-minute course. That's microlearning. It's addictive in a good way. Dopamine gets released every time you finish a quick lesson. You feel smart, accomplished, and hungry for more. It's like Pringles for your brain. Once you pop, you just can't stop. But instead of gaining weight, you gain wisdom. Nice trade, right? Now, let's hit you with the truth bomb. Microlearning might be short, but the results? Massive. Here's how it scales. 5. Tiny lessons. Giant impact. Think of microlearning as the compound interest of self-development. One short lesson a day doesn't feel like much. Until 3 months later, when you're outsmarting your old self like it's an episode of Brain versus Brain. And spoiler alert, you win. Languages, coding, leadership, fitness, mindset, whatever your niche, microlearning stacks progress like Lego bricks, one block at a time, until you've built a castle of Badassari. Now, let's flip the mirror. What's microlearning not good for? And what should you avoid like an inspirational email chain from 2004? 6. Not all bites are nutritious. Beware of junk learning. Microlearning doesn't mean mindless scrolling. Not every fun fact is a life changer. Microlearning works when you're intentional, not when you're binge-watching cat trivia. Make sure what you consume has a purpose, relevance greater than random. Otherwise, it's just digital junk food dressed up like broccoli. So how do you microlearn smarter, not harder? Glad you asked. Let's weaponize your phone. 7. Your phone is a learning machine. If you stop doom scrolling, the device that wastes your time can now make you dangerously competent. Apps like Blinkist, Duolingo, Coursera, Anki, they all use microlearning. 5 minutes here, 7 there, that's all it takes. Replace one doom scroll session with one course, and boom, you just leveled up while everyone else was watching Day in the Life of a Goldfish. Now, for the overachievers, what if I told you microlearning could stack with other habits to go full Super Saiyan? 8. Stack microlearning with habits for maximum power. Want to go turbo mode? Pair microlearning with existing habits. It's called habit stacking. Morning coffee? Add a lesson. Brushing teeth? Listen to a podcast? Post-workout cooldown? Flashcards. When learning becomes part of your autopilot, it stops being effort and starts becoming identity. Still not convinced? Let's bring out the big guns. Real people, real transformation, real proof. 9. Real results. No Hogwarts letter required. Companies use microlearning to train employees. Athletes use it to refine mindset. Entrepreneurs use it to dominate new skills. Why? Because it works. One CEO learned Mandarin on the subway. A nurse studied for her exams while meal prepping. A barista became a software developer in 6 months, all through daily microlearning. This isn't theory. It's a revolution with receipts. But before we wrap, I gotta give you the blueprint. Because knowing is cute, but doing, that's where the magic happens. 10. Start today. Here's your microlearning blueprint 1. Pick a skill. 1. Not 17. 2. Choose a format. Video, audio, flashcards, whatever suits you. 3. Set a trigger. Tie it to a habit. Coffee, commute, lunch. 4. Keep it short. 3 to 10 minutes max. 5. Track it. Use streaks, reminders, or a gold star if you're old school. That's it. No fancy gear. No course fees. Just daily micro doses of greatness. Now for my little secret. Start before you're ready. Whatever you're building, whether it's your channel, your skills, your habits, don't wait for perfection. That moment when everything feels right, it's a myth. What matters is momentum, not mastery. Launch the video even if your lighting sucks. Write the script even if it's clunky. Speak on camera even if your voice shakes. Because the version you release today will embarrass the version you release 6 months from now. And that's exactly how it should be. Clarity comes through action, not before it. So take the damn shot. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, zoom in. Focus on just the next 5 minutes. Because consistent micro-actions beat massive intentions every single time. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to get undeniably better. Keep going. You're already ahead of 99% just by starting. So here's your challenge. Before this video ends, commit to one micro-learning habit. Just one. Because the truth is, big change doesn't require big time. It requires consistency. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take 5 minutes. Start now. Comment, "I'm ready," if you want your journey to start. And if you want more high-impact, no BS strategies like this, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money, because we're just getting started. Now go. Learn small. Win big.